Hi, Dr. Jen from ChiroPure. Today I wanted to answer the question, are adjustments safe? I hear from some people that they don't think that chiropractic care is safe, that it's dangerous, that it can hurt you, etc. Not true. Chiropractic care is extremely safe. It's one of the safest professions out there. A good way to determine risk and safety of something is to look at insurance rates. So let's talk about malpractice insurance rates. For a general medical practitioner, like your doctor you would go in for a yearly checkup or something like that, they pay about, on average, $9,000 a year for malpractice insurance. While surgeons, again, that's a much more risky, everybody knows that, much more risky thing, they pay about $50,000 a year for malpractice insurance. So medical doctors run the gamut anywhere between $9,000 or $10,000 to $50,000 to potentially even more depending on the type of surgeon you are. Well, let's compare that. I'll tell you right now what I pay every single year for my chiropractic malpractice insurance, and that is $895. So compare my $895 a year to $9,000 a year to $10,000, $50,000 a year. It's actually safer to go to a chiropractor than it is to go to your general practitioner. So yes, adjustments are safe. If they weren't safe, chiropractic would not be around as a profession. They're very safe, they're very gentle, and you're really missing out on a lot if you're not seeing a chiropractor regularly. Thank you for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one.